and I am your Super BVA. So this is just a quick overview about me. I'm a virtual assistant for more than 5 years. I started working as a VA when I was 20 years old, and my niche are into social media management and real estate. So my first job was a social media manager. I was posting things on social media platforms. So that includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and etc. So that is for a real estate company as well. Then I was able to work as a cold caller. So we're calling homeowners, asking them if they are interested in selling their houses. And I also have an experience working for an e-commerce store, and eventually I was able to create or like build my own e-com store. However, it didn't work out, so I moved on. And then right now I am working as an executive assistant for a real estate investor, and I think that's it. So the um, the things you will see in my channel are tutorials on how to be a virtual assistant, things that I have learned from my experience. I am going to share them to you, my journey as a VA over the years, and more tips on virtual assistant thing. If you are interested in other niche aside from what I've mentioned earlier, and if you want to know more about it, you can leave a comment section. I mean, you can leave a comment in the comment section, so I can create a tutorial for that. And if you are interested to um, learn on the CRMs that I have been using, so I am going to share them to you. Everything that I have learned from my experience, I'm going to share them to you. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my new uploads, on my tutorials. And I think that's it. So if you are an aspiring VA as well, so I'll welcome you all to my channel. And yes, so thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.